anywhere between 1 to 2 months for a new collection to be designed. Right? We try to reduce that timeline so that there are more premium and value-added products are made with handloom, and that increases the value and the livelihood for the viewers we want to empower. Making with real handloom is truly becoming a very reducing craft. For it to sustain and for the younger generation to pick up the craft and let it thrive through the years, technology assistance is the only way, is how we believe.
There's a lot of energy around AI today, but also a lot of confusion. So I just want to understand how you see it on the ground. We have with us Muthulakshmi from TCS. She's heading this strategic initiative at TCS. In one line, Muthulakshmi, what problems are you solving using AI today?
So today's handloom design for a personalized sari or a handloom product that we want to buy takes anywhere between 1 to 2 months for a new collection to be designed. Right? We try to reduce that timeline so that there are more premium and value-added products are made with handloom, and that increases the value and the livelihood for the viewers we want to empower.
Across industries, AI is being used in different ways. Sometimes as a tool, sometimes as a transformation. In your work, is AI more of an enhancement, or it is fundamentally changing how things are done?
So in this industry, this is a very, this is becoming already very niche and very less in numbers.
Yeah.
Because all of us every day start wearing the power loom made various kind of material. But making with real handloom is truly becoming a very reducing craft.
Right.
For it to sustain and for the younger generation to pick up the craft and let it thrive through the years, technology assistance is the only way, is how we believe.
Yeah.
Because back in those days, this art was learnt from the age of 7 or 6.
Right.
They learn with the father and they get master at it when they form like in early 30s.
Yeah.
So that way they start earning good master skilled earnings for every product they make early stage in their lives. But today's generation, most of them have gone to all corporate jobs and moved on from the craft simply because it takes so much time to learn, and also it takes so much it doesn't give them as much return as earnings.
Right.
So that is an important area where we wanted to address that technology should assist the artisans in making their products better.
So it is basically augmenting the present artisans, right?
Retaining the art, but enhancing it and transforming it for current day needs and designs, the contemporary world, the way design has to be, is being done with this.
Well, there's a lot of excitement. Many organizations still seem hesitant to adopt AI at scale. What do you think is holding organizations back from adopting AI more meaningfully?
So generally it is about the foundation that they need to set up in becoming ready for AI is what we believe that's holding them from scaling AI. So it's about getting the people to adapt, getting their processes and their existing systems and data in place is what is holding large organizations in adopting AI.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, Muthulakshmi. We hope that this would be implemented soon in many parts of India. Thank you so much for your time.